Carl Pepperman. This is my wife Annie Pepperman. We're at Twin Mountains Farm on Coy Hill Road in Middletown Springs, Vermont. The most prized possession really has to be this wonderful house. It was built in 1830. We call it the old house. It was expanded in the end of the 1970s and again at the end of 1990s, which is what you have right now. So the house is fabulous. It has everything we need. If we had designed it, we couldn't have done any better. So
as soon as we went, just took a few, I guess no more than a quarter of a mile through the woods. It was like, the woods, I love these woods, they're beautiful.
I've created a network of 5 miles of trails right on the property so people can get access to almost all of it. And I'm completely amazed time and time again about how extensive it is. We went up to the top of Coy Ridge, so we immediately christened that as what we were going to call the campsite. We got a picnic table, we took it up there. Then we took our tents up there and we set them up. And we would go up there just to be with nature. We'd build a fire, we'd take our food up there with us. We'd always take the dogs. And it really became a very special spot.
The cabin arrived, which I thought would be like just a cabin on a truck, I suppose. But it was like boards, just a bunch of boards, and I knew then we had a real project on hand. Just a labor of love. It took an entire summer to build it, but it's just absolutely the best thing ever.
Let's face it, we love this property, and it's part of us. Every day when we wake up and go out and do our various chores, we're very proud and very lucky to have ended up with such a nice place.